The kidney was placed in a cooler and flown to another state. There, a man picked it up to drive the rest of the way to the hospital, but his car skidded in a snowbank and he was stuck in the middle of a raging blizzard. Now, the kidney only had hours left to be transplanted, so he called 911 and an officer began to dig him out with a shovel. Finally, a tow truck pulled him from the bank, and with his car finally free, he rushed to deliver the kidney and made it just in time, saving the patient's life.